Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to make your laptop faster on HP ProBook 635. So first go into the battery and power mode, select the best power efficiency. Next thing is right click on the bottom bar and select Task Manager. Then go into Startup Apps, and if you have apps that you don't want as a startup app, then just click and disable. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.